Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Tesla Model 3, the groundbreaking electric vehicle that has revolutionized the automotive industry since 2017. In this video, we'll dive into the Model 3's key features, including charging options, maximizing range, autopilot capabilities, software updates, maintenance, smart home integration, storage, and navigation. We'll also share some lesser-known tips to help you get the most out of your Model 3. By the end of this guide, you'll have a deeper understanding of the Model 3's advanced technology, impressive performance, and commitment to sustainability. So, join us as we explore the many benefits and capabilities of the Tesla Model 3 and embark on your journey towards a more sustainable driving experience. The Tesla Model 3 is an affordable, high-performance electric vehicle that has changed the automotive industry since 2017. It's popular due to its competitive price, impressive performance, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability. Model 3 owners enjoy a large supercharger network, top safety ratings, cost savings, and a supportive community. First up, let's talk about charging options. Tesla Model 3 offers various charging options for convenience and flexibility. Home charging options include using a standard outlet for 3 to 4 miles of range per hour or installing a level 2 EVSE like a 240V outlet or wall connector for 30 to 44 miles per hour. Superchargers provide fast charging with up to 170 miles in 30 minutes. Third-party charging options include public level 2 stations using the included J1772 adapter and level 3 DC fast charging with a CCS-compatible port on Model 3s produced after mid-2019. Additional equipment and adapters, such as the mobile connector, J1772 adapter, CCS adapter, and Tesla wall connector, may be needed depending on the charging method. Choose the right charging option based on your needs, with home charging suitable for daily use and superchargers or third-party stations for long trips. Next, let's discuss how to maximize your Model 3's range. The Tesla Model 3 has a range of up to 358 miles per charge, but factors like driving style, weather, and terrain affect its efficiency. Aggressive driving, cold or hot weather, and hilly terrain can reduce range. To maximize range, use regenerative braking, manage energy consumption, maintain moderate speeds with cruise control, keep tires properly inflated, and plan routes to avoid steep inclines or rough roads. Following these tips will help you enjoy a more efficient driving experience with your Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 comes equipped with advanced autopilot features like Auto Steer, Traffic-Aware Cruise Control, TACC, and Auto Park to assist drivers. Auto Steer helps maintain lane position, TACC adjusts speed to keep a safe distance from other vehicles, and Auto Park aids in parallel and perpendicular parking. Remember, these features are designed to assist, not replace the driver's responsibility. Stay attentive, keep hands on the steering wheel, and be ready to take control when needed. Keep cameras and sensors clean and check for software updates to ensure optimal performance. Software updates are vital for Tesla Model 3 owners, as they enhance performance, introduce new features, and improve safety. Tesla continually optimizes and refines its software, ensuring the Model 3 stays up to date with the latest advancements. Owners can check for and install updates through the car's touchscreen menu. Regular updates help maintain the Model 3's leading position in automotive technology, benefiting from ongoing performance improvements, new features, and enhanced safety. Proper maintenance is key to keeping your Model 3 in top condition. Perform regular maintenance tasks like tire rotations every 10,000-12,000 miles, cabin air filter replacements every 2 years, and install software updates through the touchscreen menu. Tesla's service center network and mobile service help with repairs and maintenance. Schedule appointments using the Tesla app, where you can select a date, time, and location. Regular maintenance and Tesla's support ensure your vehicle stays in top condition for a smooth driving experience. The Tesla Model 3 integrates with smart home systems for added convenience. Control charging schedules through apps, precondition the cabin by preheating or cooling remotely, and use voice commands with virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This integration simplifies various functions, enhancing your overall ownership experience. The Tesla Model 3 offers various storage features, including front and rear trunks, folding rear seats, and additional compartments in the cabin. To optimize space, assess your cargo needs and use the appropriate combination of trunks and folding seats. Distribute items evenly and secure them to prevent shifting. These versatile storage options make the Model 3 adaptable to different situations. The Tesla Model 3's navigation system and touchscreen interface offer real-time traffic updates and efficient route planning with charging stops. The interface integrates with your phone for calls, messages, and contacts. Use voice commands to control various functions hands-free. You can listen to podcasts and radio stations or connect your phone for personal audio content, providing an enjoyable driving experience. Explore your Model 3's lesser-known features like adjusting regenerative braking levels from the touchscreen, activating Sentry mode for added security, and accessing hidden settings with Developer mode. Customize driver profiles for multiple users. Quickly access charging settings by tapping the battery icon, and perform a 2-finger reboot to resolve minor glitches. These tips can enhance your driving experience and help you make the most of your Model 3. We encourage you to explore your Model 3 further to fully appreciate its capabilities and customize it to your preferences. Join the Tesla owner community to share experiences, ask questions, and learn from fellow owners. Enjoy your Tesla Model 3 and embrace the sustainable driving experience it offers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides on all things Tesla. Thanks for watching, and happy driving!